In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page to your WordPress website using Elementor. So first things first, head over to wordpress.com. You can either click on to the Get Started right here in order to create an account, or click on this login option that we can see right here. So just head over and then do it. Now head over right here to Elementor. You can either click on Get Started or click on this login. On my case, I already have the actual account for those of them. So let me head over and then just log in. Now here is my dashboard on my WordPress. In order to add a new page to your WordPress website, you don't need to click onto the pages option that you should be able to see right here. We need to click on the Elementor option instead. So head over to Elementor right here. Head over and then just click on that, and it should redirect you to that part. Now into this, you can scroll down, and in here on the home page, you can already see this create a page option. Click onto this, and then this will open in here this new tab. And into this new tab, you can see that it will already create this Elementor number 144. So you can just wait for this to load, and you can see its blankness. You can actually add some widgets. Here it is right here. Just head over and add in here some things like widgets, globals, SEOs, and the likes that you wish to add. Like for example, you can add in here some headings. And then you can also add in there or edit that heading, add some text. You can also add some images if you would want. So as you can see, we have created this particular website or this particular page on our WordPress and using our Elementor editor in order to edit it. So you can just do it just like this if you would want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.